help that. Oh, they're not stuck anymore. He likes it. Hey, push. Yeah. Dude, this is gonna be tough. She doesn't speak English. She going? Go! 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 Ready? Go! Ready, set, go! 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 Yeah! Go! Go! Yeah! Push her now! He's slipping. You ready? Set, push! Go, 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 go! Push, push!
Go, 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 go. Gas,
gas, gas! Oh, she's spinning. You're good, you're good. Yeah, keep going. Ready? She's just slowly going. Go, push. We'll push.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back there a little bit and then.
Where?
I'm gonna go back in so we can get some momentum.
Okay. Are you gonna have enough to go up?
Yeah.
He's just gonna back up a bit so he gets some more speed to go up the hill.
Okay.
Go. Go. Alright. Alright. He's just giving it the beans. Of course. Are you good? There we go. You're at the top of the hill. You're welcome. I know.
Alright.
Really? Let's oh, here we go, deep again. Dude, it's plowing through it. Yeah. Yeah. Your wheel is just kicked. Whoa! Whoa! Front end's just drifting everywhere. Here we go. No, that's what happened to me. I was just sitting there. I got so much. I got so much snow on my freaking shoe. Yeah, the air cooled, man. It's snow cooled now.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I'm driving close. there's a kid sliding over there. There's like, oh, it's a hill climb?
Yeah, dude, hill climb.
Your bike looks so funny, all caked up. Okay. Ready first?
What?
First. You hit the tree. Trying to go on that. The way I fell off that. Oh, I killed it. Oh,
Sorry, dude. I was.
oh, that's fine. She did. We're good.
I started pointing that way. Alright, now we got some traction.
Alright. You cleared the way. There we go. $180 out of there. Wow! This is like a dirt hill slide club. Yeah, there's some big old rocks right here. Watch out for. Oh. Little drift. Oh, oh, the road's way slipperier. It's still coming down good.
Ripping around like that.
Those minis.